If you like flowers, beautiful flowers, how to gardening and harvesting, today we are going to see how to cultivate these beautiful flowers. These flowers have in the bottom a root, you can see, and then what we do is take off one of the bottom. Here, if you open, you can see there are many roots, so you take off one of these, and then you can see here we have already taken off the roots like this. You can see here we have, and then put in one pot with earth, make a hole in the middle, and you put these roots in the bottom like this. You cover with earth, put water, little water like this, and you can see then in a few days, like 15 days, they start growing. Since a small pot, we are going to see how in a few days we have this one is already open, you can see like this. And this is one easy way how you can multiply in many flowers one single pot. You can see here we have many flowers, but you can repeat the process if you want to cultivate this kind of beautiful flowers. You take off a small root like this. Each one of these is ready to put in another pot like this. You can see it has the roots, and you put in the earth, cover the earth, put water, and in a few days you will see that you will harvesting beautiful flowers. You like this kind of flowers and another, subscribe to the channel. We are going to see also how to cultivate and harvesting roses, beautiful roses, and another kind of plants like this beautiful, and also like this one. If you want to know how to cultivate arnica, for instance, here we have arnica in the garden, beautiful and also healthy plants, both of them. If you want to learn, the idea of the channel is to share with you that you can start today cultivating and harvesting one single flower since the beginning. You don't need to have previous knowledge about gardening, but you can start in a simple way, easy way. You are going to learn how to do it since your home, in your garden. You will know how to cultivate and harvesting beautiful flowers like this one, and an easy way. So if you like flowers, roses, and gardening, share the video and also give a like in order you to recommend us, and more people can benefit of cultivating beautiful flowers in their gardens. The flowers can give you peace of mind, stress relief, and also they have energy. The plants and flowers, especially this kind of flowers that have many colors, like blue, and no, it's like purple and pink and black and white. These kind of colors help you to have release or stress relief and peace of mind. So it's one therapy to be peace of mind, and also to be with relief, stress relief. And you know, since today you can start harvesting in your home beautiful flowers in an easy way. Also, you can share with your family and friends this video in order more benefits. You can see all the roots, all the plants branches has one root, so one root you put on the earth like I showed you before, like this. Is simple, and in a few days it start growing and giving us flowers and making more of them. In a few days you will have many flowers like this one. So this is an easy way to start today harvesting beautiful flowers in your own garden. So start today harvesting flowers, and see you in the next video.